What's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon. Guys, in tonight's video, I want to give you guys a crash course in email marketing, right? I want to talk about how to make money online with email marketing, because maybe you guys are on YouTube and you're looking for a way to make money from home and you see all these videos. Believe me, I know I started out that way. I would see these videos and I would get excited and I would join something. A week later, I would see another video or something. I would join that. It was crazy, guys, okay? Because I didn't really understand, right, what it was I was doing. I didn't really understand what it was other people were doing. And a lot of people weren't really explaining exactly what they were doing. They were selling things, but they weren't really explaining it. So I'm an email marketer. I'm an affiliate marketer. And I am in direct sales, right? And I also do offline marketing as well. That's how I got my start as an offline marketer. I had a mail order business, and I'm still in mail order. It's something we're going to be talking about probably in November. But anyway, guys, listen. I want to talk about email marketing, and I want you guys to pay attention and understand, because a lot of people that you see online are using email marketing to build their business. They're using email marketing to make money online, and that's how I make money online, guys. I'm an email marketer. The YouTube videos you see me doing are to create content that I can use to build my list from YouTube, but I can also use the content to build different sales funnels and sales systems that I build, and then I buy traffic and I send traffic through my sales funnels, right? A lot of them, which a lot of people on YouTube, they don't even, you don't see what happens behind the scenes. You just see me doing videos and you see me promoting different offers, different products and different services, because I know how to do it now. But I didn't always know how to do it, and it was very confusing to me in the beginning, which is why I want to talk to you about how to make money as an email marketer. Now I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take you through a process, and then I want you to understand that you don't have to do what I'm going to show you, but this is what email marketers do. 90% of the people that you see online, I don't care what the product they're talking about is. I don't mean I don't care, but what I'm saying is it doesn't matter. What they're doing is getting exposure through the YouTube videos, and then they're turning around. Oftentimes, they're mailing this information. They're mailing these videos just built into different sales systems, or however they choose to do it, to their list as they start to build them. So tonight, I'm going to show you guys, even if you don't have any experience, if you want to make money online with email marketing, I'm going to show you guys how you can get started right now tonight. Now, a lot of you high-speed entrepreneurs or people who just want to make money have already joined me. Big props to all of you guys. I see you guys coming into the funnel, right? And anyway, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I congratulate you guys. And if you're taking action, then you understand why I'm doing this video, and you probably understand what it is you have in your hands right now if you pick this up. Quite a few of you guys have come through. Anyway, let's get on with the video. When you decide that you want to use email marketing as a vehicle to make money online, the best way to do it is by having what we call a landing page or a capture page, which you're looking at right now. And the purpose of the capture page is to speak to a particular target audience about something that they're probably looking for. If it's your target audience, they're in the market for it. You already know that. That's part of being an internet marketer, knowing who your target audience is, right? Now, we know that the work from home, make money online niche is probably one of the hugest niches online. Everybody and their mother is looking for a way to make money online. Can you blame them? Guys, with the economy being like it is, it's just smart to start teaching yourself the ins and outs of making money online. And there are 1,000 different ways to do it. You don't have to do it as an email marketer. But I can tell you this, guys, if you can build a list of qualified prospects, people who are already interested in what it is you're selling, you're marketing and promoting, you can build a business. And if you don't want to build a business and you just want to make extra money online, as an email marketer or using email marketing as the strategy, right, as the vehicle to build your list, you can make money online. Does that make sense? Okay, so now you start with a capture page. As you can see on this capture page, my caption says, let me see, can I get up a little bit? I think, okay, yeah. Free video, how to create an endless flow of leads and affiliate cash commissions on complete automation. And at the bottom, I say, this works even if you're brand new to internet marketing and don't already have a list or a product, and you can get in on it right now today. That's what I say. That's not hype. That's just the truth, right? That's how simple this is. Everything that I do is built around list building, right? So I build my own capture pages. And when I do, guys, I buy traffic, right? Or I'll do a YouTube video. But mostly I buy traffic. I do the YouTube videos to build my funnels. You guys have probably seen some of them. So here's how this works. Once I start purchasing traffic or either do a YouTube video, I'll leave a link in the YouTube video description area so anybody who's interested can click the link in the description area on my YouTube videos and they can enter into my capture page. And when they do, and when I buy paid traffic, they are redirected to a landing page, right? Or my bridge page, should I say, right? This is why I do the YouTube videos, because I like to brand myself. And ultimately, if you guys stay in this game long enough, you're going to want to start branding yourself too. And we're going to talk about why in some subsequent videos. But anyway, now I purchased traffic. I've sent a designated amount of eyeballs straight to the capture page that you just saw. A percentage of those people that I had sent to my capture page are going to opt into that capture page, and this is where they're going to land, right here on my bridge page. Once they get to my bridge page, guys, they have just come onto my list. They are now on my list. I'm going to show you guys that in a second too. But when they put their email address in or their name, they automatically got on my list. Now, first thing I do is redirect them to what they opted in for, which is talking about how to create an endless flow of leads and affiliate cash commissions, right, on complete automation. That's something that you can do. That's something that when I offer it to people and I present this to people, that they learn that they can do. They realize it, right? So I talk about it, right? They're on my list now, and if they're interested, when they go down here at the bottom where it says get instant access, they can get instant access to the actual explainer video or another video of me talking about exactly how it works. If they want it, they want it. If they don't, they don't. It doesn't matter, guys. Now they're on my list. I can continue to correspond with them now, right, because they're on a list. And let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, guys, I build lots of email lists, right? Okay, okay. I build lots of email lists. This is just one of my autoresponders. I have 3. A lot of things that I do, you guys don't see. You just see me on YouTube and you're like, is he crazy? What's up with all the videos? There is a method to my madness, and there is a method to my madness, and that's how I make money from home, guys. Anyway, so I build my automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I build my capture pages. I redirect to the bridge page, and I get in front of my target audience. Then they're on my list now, as you can see. I create welcome emails to send to my list so that I can stay in contact with them. So even if they didn't buy or join my team the very first time I sent them, they saw my presentation, now they're on my list, and I can follow up with them through a series of emails. And I'm showing you guys this so you can see it, right? Look. All right, on day 0, I send 2 emails normally, right? And then you can see right here, guys, I just continue following up with my list with different products and services, right? Now, that's enough of that, right? I don't give all away my email secrets. But look, here's the point. Guys, it doesn't matter whether you have a list or not. Not tonight or any night that you see me on this video talking about anything, because everything that I do revolves around building a list, because I am an email marketer, right? I can market and promote anything I want to, right? I said in another video not long ago, it's not the business, although you want a great business, right? That's affordable, or that's really jam-packed with lots of value that a lot of people are looking for, that's going to produce some real income for you. You want that. But what I'm saying is you also want to learn marketing, right? You want to learn marketing, guys, because you can go get involved with any business you want. You can go find the biggest producer in that business, right? It doesn't matter. You still have to market, whether you use paid advertising or whether you use free advertising. You have to market because you need exposure. Now, here's the good news. For anybody who's looking to make money from home, online, you're brand new, you inundated with everything that you see online, because I know how much it is, right? It's just a lot going on online. I talk in my welcome video about focus, guys. And you guys who are on my list, you know I talk a lot about focus. I talk a lot about goal setting. And I talk a lot about training, right? Because the training is important. Now, in this particular system that I want you guys to examine tonight, you get to see it absolutely free. Honestly, it's 15 minutes of training. 15 minutes of training, and you're going to have an actual automated sales system, right, that can actually not only build your list, right, it will pay you to build your list, and it will promote and market affiliate products that's built into the system, the software, as it's doing it. Now, I said an email marketing crash course because everything that I just showed you happens right here from this website. And you don't have to do any things that you just saw me do. You don't have to build a capture page. You don't have to build a bridge page. You don't have to explain anything to anybody. I love doing that. That's what I do. And the system, the funnel is set up for you. So as you put traffic into the system, it does everything that I just talked about for you on automation, right? Now, that's a great way to get your foot in the door to start learning email marketing. Because once you learn email marketing, the sky is the limit. The world becomes your oyster, guys, because then you can do whatever it is you want to do. You can market and promote anything you want as you start to build your list. You can just market different products and services to them from your list. If you're on my list, in fact, get on my list and you'll see this in action in all its heavenly glory, exactly how this works. The cool thing is, guys, I have multiple lists, right? This week, excuse me, I'm starting to just start slamming traffic again, right? I got ads already scheduled for next week and beyond. Because now is the busy season again. Now everybody's gonna start getting online and look for ways to make money online. Now I'm starting to just purchase traffic. I literally over the summer, guys, or should I say probably since July, in the middle of July to now, I literally have built 10 different new funnels, right? 10 different new lists, right? And I can build them, the list I can create in a megasecond, right? But what I've done is I went and I built all these different funnels, and you guys have seen some of them. And now, guys, this is my favorite time of the year. I start pumping traffic into the actual list, right? I start using my capture pages and using my funnels that I built, and I start pumping traffic into them, right? It's a beautiful thing, guys. It's nothing like seeing payments coming to you from all over the place, right? Because you got these funnels going and you got people looking at you, viewing your emails, entering into your capture pages, getting on your list. People all over the world are seeing my videos. Well, they might not be looking at them, but they definitely getting the emails, guys, because I have, again, multiple auto responders, multiple lists, and it's all on automation. And tonight, you get to tap into that same type of automation, right? And you don't have to do any of the things that I just told you to, and it's going to take you 60 seconds to set this up. Watch the video. Make sure you understand it. It's easy to follow, and you can literally start sending traffic to your capture page, which is going to be just like the one you see right here, and it can literally start making money for you tomorrow, right? Everything's inside. Now, once you guys join it for something that you don't understand, email me, guys. My email will be in the YouTube video description. I have you on my email. And for you guys who are getting this any other way, you should see my email address because you're on my list. You know what my email address is. Just email me any questions you got, because we got traffic all day and night, guys. And it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg, right? You can literally start making money. Now, you hear people say, they talk about the income disclaimers all the time. I have to say, can I guarantee you're going to make money? No, because I don't know what you're going to do. I can tell you this. That's what we do, guys. That's what everybody that you see online, right? If they are diligent, if they're building their business, they're doing videos, they're marketing, right? That's what it's all about. You got to have traffic. You got to have exposure. If you get this website that I'm going to give you tonight and you follow the instructions and start sending traffic, which is nothing more than eyeballs, right? That's all it is. It's people, right? Getting in front of people. You get in front of enough people, guys, you can make money online. People are going to buy the offer, right? They're going to join your team, right? They're going to hook up with whatever it is you saw you marketing and promoting if you're pumping enough traffic into it. That's why I put so much emphasis on traffic. Now, I hope that didn't go all the way around Robin Hood's barn, but I'm going to back up for just a second. We're going to go over this. We're going to recap real quick. Email marketing crash course. How to make money online as an email marketer. Number one, you got to have a product and a service that you're going to promote to the masses. Preferably something that a lot of people want and are diligently searching for. Number two, you have to have a way to collect the names and email addresses of those people, either or, and get in front of them, right? And you also want to make sure that you're capturing those names of those people so that you're building a list, right? Once they're on your list, right, you can sell anything that you want to them, right? Because you got the capture page, you have the product. Now you're in front of them because you have a system, right? Capture page, redirect to VSL, video sales letter. Inside the video sales letter, get started now. Pay now button. Cha-ching, that's where the cash comes in, right? But if you put these things together in the right order, and this is the only way that you can put them together, right? You can make money online. Not very complicated. I spin around in circles for months, no, years, actually, before I really just, the light bulb went up. And it's not complicated. The complication comes in when you complicate it, right? If you follow the instructions, right? You're watching an automated marketing system. You're watching my email marketing. You're watching the process right now. I'm not going to leave the capture page, not this one, but I'm saying run traffic to a capture page. Capture page redirects to your landing page, your bridge page. You talk a little bit more about your product or service. You tell people they want to get instant access. They get it. They do. They do. They don't. They don't. They're on your list now. You can start following up with these people on total automation through a series of emails like I have here. Or you can just do it by blasting your list ever so often, right? But the point is, you have everything that you need to do it. So if you guys want to learn a little bit more how you can get started with your own email marketing business right now, tonight, and fire it up and have it making money for you in as little as the next 24 hours. Some of you go-getters going to make this thing go. You might do it less than that, right? Because it's all on you. Whatever business opportunity, whatever you join, it's all on you and the action that you take. But this right here, guys, it's on fire. Again, big props to all you guys who joined. I'm going to keep doing videos on it because I believe it's one of the greatest new software business products that's come along in a long time, because you don't need a product. You don't even need your own list, because this thing has it all rolled in together. And it's building your list, right, for you. And oh, wow. It's just a beautiful system. So I'm going to leave the link for the actual page right below the YouTube video in the description area. Click it, guys, okay? Go over and watch the presentation. You're going to hear what I'm talking to you about right now all over again. Only you're going to hear it from a multi-millionaire, Brian Winters, right? Anyway, go ahead on and do it, guys. Lock yourself into your position. If you've got questions about anything, don't hesitate to call me, email me, or text me with Christopher Marlon in the subject line. I appreciate you guys being on the video. It's a beautiful late summer afternoon, guys. I am on fire in terms of what's going on. Lots of great things going on. It's a great time to be an entrepreneur. It's a great time to be an internet and a direct mail marketer. Anyway, hope to welcome you guys to the inside. I'll see you then. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.